Look at all the dust, y'all. Look at this. I think this is about the worst I have ever let this thing get. It's pretty bad. Look at that. Check it out. It's rough. How could the poor thing even breathe? And then, of course, my big old gaming PC back here, at least it sits on top of the desk. It's not quite as bad. But this one sits on the floor. That's the only place I had to put it, and it just collects all the dust, dog hair, human hair, everything. So let's go clean these things up. It's nasty. Thank goodness for the golf cart. Just so long as they don't fly off. Go get my blowing nozzle. Perfect tool for the job. Right here. Let's watch the dust fly. It's gonna blow it out this way. Let's see. Oof. That's nasty. Woo! Can't even breathe. I need a mask. Rona dust. Woof. That's bad. Smokestack. Woo! Let's blow down. God almighty. Ugh. Phew. Woo. Can't breathe. Oh my gosh. The poor old graphics card. Woo! Ooh. GoPro screen, it was so dirty from the dust. All right, let's hit it again. More dust is coming in. This is only like 6 months too. Oh my gosh. Trust me, it doesn't say Cooler Master for nothing. It's got some good airflow. There's no doubt about it.